corner is a secret door which leads to staircase 83. So it doesn't go up anywhere, it just goes down. And let's go, oh look at that, it's daytime. Let's go further up. As long as we're continuing our journey up, we'll take the grand staircase this time. And we'll go up a floor. Actually, it looks like we're going to go up 2 floors. Or 3 or 4. So climbing all the way to the top. You can see there's the heart. We're almost to the top. This is a walkway over to the other tower. So you can see along the roof lines. Green and yellow were not Strahd's colors, but I'm a Green Bay Packers fan, so I put those colors in here. And continuing further up to the actual top of the tower. You can see we have quite an overlook. This is over the back of the castle. Over here would be over the front. When I did this, the servers only had a 128 limit, so I had to shorten that tower a little bit because I needed to be taller than that. I never went back and fixed that, so it's still a little bit shorter than it should be. We're going to go back down and look in the floor, the 4th floor, which we kind of skipped over there. The 4th floor is in that other tower over there, but we're going to try and get to it by going up rather than going down. It's a lot of circular stair here, and it had to be a very gentle slope in order to make it to where it needed to make it. Very rough shape as well, unfortunately. So we're going to go back into the study here. We'll go through into the dining room again. And then we're going to go up this staircase. Getting these small staircases to fit was quite the chore. Okay, so this is the portrait that stares at you and causes all kinds of problems. And that would be room 47. So technically that was a room in and of itself. 47 is called the landing. And after 47, this room would be 48, or 49 rather, excuse me, the staircase was 48. 49 is the lounge. So we have some bookcases, we have the loungy kind of furniture. And here was a guest bedroom, which would be room 50, the guest room. And then attached to the guest room is a closet. And this is the closet that had a trap door in the ceiling, and the witches from the floor above would come down and do nasty things to the player if he slept here. So we'll go up and take a look at those, because those are simply a matter of climbing to the next level. So this would be room 54. And room 54 was the familiar room. And room 55 was the elemental room. And room 56 is where the witch's cauldron was. And that was called the cauldron room. And then there's the secret door in the floor that leads down to the guest room. And if I had planned this journey a little bit better, we wouldn't have gone up the other tower because we end up right here on this landing anyway. And this is on the half tower piece that juts out over the really tall tower. And here's the same walkway that we saw before. So we only have one thing left to do. Let's go on the top half. And we're just going to go all the way down this. Let's see, where am I? Okay, this is the office of the accountant. So what I really want to do is get myself to... actually, yeah, we want to go this way. We have the one big tower we have to go up all the way to the top. And then we're done with all the above ground pieces. If you'll remember, when we were in here, I said that this tower went the full height, both up and down. But there's a room that you can only get to by going all the way to the top here. So we're going to take this quick spiral trip. This tower surrounds shaft 17. It's tower 21. It's a bit of a trip getting all the way to the top here, but just for the sake of completeness, I wanted to show you all of that. And here we are at the top of the tower. And this is the shaft that goes all the way to the bottom. You can just see the little torch down there at the very bottom. And you can see that's the back of the castle there, looking out over the plain. Okay, that's the first floor. I'm going to make the underground parts be a different file, so you can look up part 2 to see the rest of it.